Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. This is a timeless reading, Pisces. So kung anumang araw, buwan o taon o oras mo to napanood, as long as mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon nyo, take nyo lang, okay? Nakikita nyo, meron tayo dito dalawang tarot deck, okay? So gagamit tayo ng tarot dito sa taas for something like kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari. And ang isa naman is gagamit tayo for clarification of the certain tarot. Okay? Bakit ganun yung lumabas, and alamin natin kung ano yung kumbaga reason. Okay? So, reminder lang, Pisces, na ito ay general reading. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. Okay? Pag hindi po mag-resonate, huwag pong ipilit. Okay? And again, this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood, as long as mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon mo, okay? And, ang gender po ay welcome ang lahat ng gender sa ating channel. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood, as long as mag-resonate sa mga taong dinidil nyo at sa mga taong nanonood ngayon, yung sitwasyon na lalabas sa ating tarot cards, take mo na kung mag-resonate ko, okay? Pag hindi po, huwag po natin ipilit, okay? So, ano po ay posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay. So, may nag-flip. Actually, nag-flip to siya, pero bumaliktad lang. Okay. So, there's an Ace of Swords. Okay. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Page of Cups. And Queen of Cups. Okay. So, sa nararamdaman ko, Pisces, meron ka matatanggap for something na kumbaga parang sobra mo itong ma-appreciate, okay? Kumbaga, pakakaingatan mo to, okay? So, sa nararamdaman ko, this is coming from somewhere na younger energy, or pwedeng ikaw yung mas bata, okay? Or kahit ano na, kumbaga, bago sa'yo, okay? No experience ka pa sa ganong sitwasyon, pero i-offer sa'yo, or there's a proposal, there's something na ibibigay sa'yo, okay? Or hihingin yung kamay mo, okay? Kung ganun man. Pero it may resonate sa lahat ng aspeto sa buhay. Ma-career, ma-trabaho, ma-negosyo, ma-love life, ma-sitwasyon sa pamilya, sa pag-ibig, sa kaibigan, sa trabaho, okay? Lahat po, as long as mag-resonate. So, nakikita nyo there's an Ace of Swords, and sobra mo ito magagamit. Sobra, nakikita nyo, itong sword kasi represents sa something na parang mapapakinabangan mo in the long run. Okay? Kasi 'di ba ang sword panglaban, ginagamit panglaban, okay? And yung sword niya is merong crown sa taas. So again, you will benefit for this situation na darating or marireceive mo for a longer term. Okay? Sobrang laki ng something. I couldn't pinpoint kasi iba-iba naman yung sitwasyon ng mga Pisces, and yung mga nagdidil kay Pisces, okay? Iba-iba po yung sitwasyon, and you will appreciate, kumbaga, sobra mo itong pakakaingatan. Okay? This is the most valuable thing na, kumbaga, sobrang laki nito. Pwedeng ito ay minamanifest mo, pwedeng ito ay hinihiling mo lang dati, and ngayon darating na siya. Darating na, okay? Again, wala ka pang experience, so hindi mo pa napatry ito, okay? This is your first time, pero ito yung sobrang makakatulong sa'yo in a longer term, okay? And there's a death. Pag lumalabas to, Pisces, huwag ka matakot. This is not a literal, okay? So, there's a ending, and at the same time, new beginning. Okay. So, there should be, kumbaga, kailangan merong mag-close dahil meron kang bubuksan na panibago. Okay. So as I said kanina, this is a new experience, new beginning for you to restart, to parang lakarin yung panibagong landas na ito. Okay, so wow. So parang next chapter, okay, sobrang ganda. Ano kaya to? Ano kaya tong ah, napakalaki mo, a valuable thing, situation na darating sa Pisces. Okay, so this is a new door, and maganda to siya kasi 'di ba pakakaingatan mo 'to. So ibig sabihin sobra mo itong maa-appreciate, sobra mo itong gusto. Okay, so wow, ano kaya na 'to? Okay, bottom of the deck, King of Swords. Ooh, there's a king and there's a queen. Okay, so nakikita niyo there's a power couple here. So pwedeng ito ay nanggaling kay King of Swords kasi Ace of Swords, King of Swords. Ibibigay niya to kay Queen of Swords, okay? Pero pwede pong vice versa yung energies. Take nyo lang po kung mag-resonate again, okay? So, pwedeng this Ace of Swords na darating sa'yo is coming from a King of Swords. This person have a personality na kung anong gusto niya, yun yung gagawin. And at the same time, this is a alpha male, okay? Or alpha masculine. Again, wala po tayong gender specific. Pwedeng babae, lalaki, and LGBT po, okay? So, this person decided na this Ace of Sword right here, etong espada niya mismo, ibibigay sa'yo. Okay, so ah, pwedeng ito ay love, pwedeng ito ay work, pwedeng ito ay opportunity, pwedeng ito ay financial help, pwedeng ito ay something na ah, kahit ano na ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? Nakikita nyo, itong dalawang to parang binibigay niya sa'yo. Okay? So, this is a new kasi meron tayo ditong young energy, as I said kanina. Okay? And nakikita niya there's a Queen of Cups na tinitingnan kung ano yung binigay sa kanya. Okay? And so, again, inulit ko lang, ma-appreciate mo to na sobra. This is a new path for you to experience, Pisces. Wow. Okay. So, ano po yung clarification for Ace of Swords? Actually, hindi na siya kailangang i-explain pa. Okay, pero sige. Ace of Swords, this one, ang lumabas is Two of Swords. Okay. So, this is something na parang, again, magagamit mo for something in a longer term. Okay? This is something na parang hindi mo ito gustong mawala. Okay? Kumbaga, magagamit mo ito for something na protection for yourself, for something na in the near future, kung ano man yung darating, sobra mo itong mapapakinabangan. Okay? Isa siya sa mga gagamit mo na swords. Okay? Pandagdag. Okay? So, uh, it may kinda connected sa opportunities, okay? Parang kumbaga bibigyan ka pa ng mas malaking sandata para magagamit mo para hindi ka mahirapan sa mga future ganap, okay? Pwedeng ganon, or kung hindi naman, pwedeng ito ay love, pwedeng ito ay something na kumbaga mas magpapa-solid pa, mas kumbaga parang paiigtingin, palalakasin, kumbaga isusolid yung kumbaga connection yung dalawa. Okay? So, pwedeng ito ay wedding ring, kasal, okay, engagement, proposal, kahit ano na kumbaga it makes your connection stronger. Okay? So, wow. Wow. Okay? So, there's a Page of Cups and the Sun. Page of Cups and the Sun, Pisces. Nakikita nyo, merong iyang energy as I said kanina, and there's a baby right here. Oh, so this is new beginning, new chapter, new experience, new path. Okay, and this is something na sobra mong kumbaga maliwanag. You will enjoy this kind of offer situation na darating sa'yo. Ma-enjoy mo siya ng sobra. Okay? So, there's a baby, there's a horse. Okay? Enjoy the journey, Pisces. Wow! Horse, white horse yung nandito. There's malaking sun. Lumiliwanag sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? So, ito yung dala, ito yung meaning ng cup niya na meron pang fish. Okay? So, it's a longer term commitment. It's a longer term connection. Okay? So, kay Queen of Cups naman tayo. Kay Queen of Cups. Okay? So, ano po yung clarification for Queen of Cups? Okay. Oh, wow! Dalawa pala sila. The Magician and the High Priestess. Wow, Pisces. And under the Queen of Cups. Under kay Queen of Cups, this is the two cards right here. 1 and 2. Wow. Pisces, sobra mo itong inaasam. Sobra, you are destined for this situation. You are destined, you are ready to receive this kind of situation, to receive this kind of offer, to receive this kind of proposal, to receive this kind of situation in life, Pisces. Wow, the Magician, nakikita nyo, punong-puno yung table niya, lahat, may cup, which is dito, may sword, which is dito din. Okay, and meron pang pentacle, meron pang wand. Okay, so, wala tong halong negative. Ito silang dalawa, sobrang ganda. Okay, you are a great manifestor. You are protected. You are destined for this situation, Pisces. And the High Priestess, you are ready. You are ready. You are mentally, emotionally, physically ready. Okay, this card represents something as intuition. Okay, so you are mentally, emotionally ready, Pisces. Okay, so nakikita nyo meron ditong magandang babae na full of wisdom, full of something na motivation, inspiration, okay, upgrading yourself, kumbaga nag-upgrade ka kaya you are ready. Okay, ready, handa ka na, kumbaga, parang you are in the right time, na this is the right time na matatanggap mo and ibibigay na sa'yo. Okay, kung ano man tong darating for you. 1, 2, the Magician, Pisces, and the High Priestess. Wow, sobrang ganda. Under by Queen of Cups. Under by you, Pisces. Wow. So, ang ganda naman, ang ganda talaga. Parang, you are destined. Wala pa ulit-ulit yung sinasabi ko talaga, Pisces. You are destined. This is the right time for you to receive this kind of situation. Okay, you are, nakikita after all the struggles, after all the lessons that you have to learn, all the past experiences na tumulong sa iyo, Pisces, na mag-evolve, mag-upgrade, ma-enhance, especially mentally, physically, and emotionally. Okay, kumbaga nag-iba na yung perspective sa buhay, nag-iba ka. Okay, nag-iba ka into a better version of yourself, Pisces. Okay, kung ano man yung napagdaanan mo dati na ibang-iba kumbaga kung ano yung ugali mo dati, ibang-iba sa ugali mo ngayon, okay? And you become a better person. That's why you are ready to receive this kind of situation, Pisces. Wow, sobrang ganda. Okay, so death card. Ano po ibig sabihin ng death card na nandito? Okay, so ano po ang ibig sabihin ng death card for Pisces? Ano po ang ibig sabihin for death? Pwede you're dealing with a Scorpio, Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, far sign. Bakit ko sinabing far sign kahit walang ones dito, okay? So, pwedeng you're dealing with a far sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, lahat ng signs, okay? And Page of Pentacle, Pisces. Page. Meron tayo ditong Page of Cups, meron tayo ditong Page of Pentacles. So, this is something new. This is something, bottom of the deck, Nine of, kumbaga, Swords. Nine of Swords, okay. So, Nine of Swords and King of Swords. This person, or ikaw, Pisces, is, again, sinabi ko kanina, ang dami mong pinagdaanan, ang daming experiences na, kumbaga, tumulong sa'yo for you to become a better version of yourself, okay? And, unahin muna natin to. Death and Page of Pentacles. So, lahat ng signs is andito. So, Page of Pentacles, pwede merong involve something na financial, emotional, kasi Page of Cups, or anything. Okay? Magagamit mo ito, and this is so new, this is so fresh, this is a new start for you to step. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung susunod ko, pero yun yung parang, gusto kong sabihin na parang this is a fresh start for you to do, Pisces, for you to take action, for you to receive this kind of situation, okay? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay, things, material things, emotional situation, okay? Lahat ng yun is tatahakin mo sa panibagong pintuan, okay? And you will sobra mo itong maa-appreciate to the point na sa sobrang ganda nito, Pisces, pakakaingatan mo to. Pakakaingatan mo to na sobra-sobra. And you are destined to receive this kind of situation. You are ready. Okay? Nakikita ng ating Panginoon, nakikita ng universe, nakikita ng guardian angel mo na si Pisces is emotionally stable, mentally stable, physically stable, pwede ding financially stable na, and you can handle this kind of situation. Okay, this is the right time for you to receive this kind of situation na sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Okay? And meron tayo ditong Nine of Swords. This is your past experiences, Pisces. This is your past experiences. This is you nung mga nakaraang araw, nakaraang buwan, nakaraang taon, okay? Ganito ka, okay? Sinabi ko dati, meron kang ugali dati na ibang-iba na sa ikaw ngayon, okay? Kumbaga, meron kang mga personality dati na nagbago, nag-upgrade into a better version, and this is who you are, okay? Kumbaga, or kailangan mo munang, okay? Kailangan mo munang, aralin, kilalanin yung sarili mo. And after that, pag alam mo nang ready and makikita ng universe na ready ka na, hulmado ka na, eto na yung darating sa'yo. Okay? So, take nyo lang po, Pisces, kung saan po mag-resonate, and sobrang ganda. I hope na na-enjoy nyo ang reading natin ngayon kasi ako sobra kong na-enjoy, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda talaga. Okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading for today. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the notification bell, Pisces, para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating uploads. Okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!